You guys, I didn't buy this fucking monkey. It was a gift, so you could stop asking me why the fuck I would buy the monkey. The person who bought it got it off of Amazon. It's an Ashton Drake doll, and maybe possessed as fuck, was not in the description. Also, for the people who say, oh, just, her eyes are supposed to move. I have those dolls, when you pick them up, their eyes move. Her eyes aren't moving. They ain't moving unless she just blinked right there. I don't fucking know. You guys, I just noticed something crazy as fuck, and you're all gonna think this is so insane, but I just took out the certificate of authenticity for her, and you're not gonna freaking believe the name on this thing. Are you shitting me? Oh my fucking god, I swear to god, this thing just fucking looked at me.